When I try to flush this toilet, the handle goes up and down, but is not doing any good. Probably because the chain or the lever arm itself is broken. And when I look from the top, the arm and the chain seems to be okay. But when I push on the handle, I can see that the arm is damaged. Right there. And it's just about to fall. So let's help it and put it out of its misery. Break it and drop it. Because that's how you may find your lever arm on the bottom of the tank. And by the way, if you still need to flush your toilet, just reach in and pull on a chain. And you don't even need to wear gloves, because this water is just about as clean as the water from your faucet. And to fix this problem, I got this handle online for just about $5, and it fits most of the toilets with similar configuration. It's easy to install, but first I need to unscrew this nut. And while typically you have to unscrew counterclockwise, but in this case you have to go clockwise. And I believe it's true for most toilets. If it's difficult to start, you can use a pair of pliers just to loosen it up and then continue by hand. Now get the new handle and unscrew the nut as well. And by the way, if you would like to buy the same handle, I will include the link under the video. And make sure the square base of the handle fits nicely into the square opening on the tank. Just like so. But here I see a little problem. Since the tank has a little curve to it, the end of the arm is scratching the tank. And this is how it's supposed to be. Luckily, the metal rod is flexible, so it can be adjusted to fit most toilet tanks. You can easily bend it to the correct shape. And this time it fits much better. Get the new nut and slide it over the lever. Tighten it by hand, and don't forget that you have to turn it in opposite direction of what you used to. And then you can give it a quarter turn with a pair of pliers to tighten a little bit more. Reach into the water and unhook the chain from the old lever arm, and you may need to readjust the length of the chain to accommodate the new lever. Hook it up into one of those holes, whichever fits the best in your case, and give it a flash to see if it works. And now it's very important to make sure that the length of the chain is just right, because if it's too short, the flopper would not be able to close. But if the chain is too long, it will get caught under the flopper and will continuously leak water. And if you found this video informative, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.